Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2006 Toyota Prius. These headlights are looking pretty nasty. Let me show you. Not sure if the camera will do it justice, but these are looking pretty cloudy. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and replace the entire lens assembly. That's what I recommend. If you wanna keep your vehicle for a long time and you like that new headlight look, go ahead, bite the bullet, and buy brand new lenses. Let's get started. I'm gonna open the hood. We have one easy bolt up here, and the other bolts are under the bumper. Let's start by pulling back our bumper skin. Right here on the corner of our bumper, right behind our wheel well, there's a 10mm bolt. Just pull that off. There we go. And that's all we have to do here for now. Next up here, we want to remove this. There's a Phillips right inside. Hopefully it'll come out. Oh, that was easy. Sometimes I've seen these really stuck on. If yours is stuck on, we can use an impact driver to break it loose. Usually there's clips here and here, but they are already missing on this vehicle. So no big deal. Just hop over to the other side. We'll go ahead and get this one. Pop it loose. Oh, nice, okay. And there is one clip right here. Get that with a screwdriver, just pop up on it. There we go. Okay, so all this is loose in the front. Now let's go to this side's fender well and get that 10mm bolt there. Peel back our fender well, get that 10mm bolt. There we go. Now we can pop our skin off. We just grab it from the side here and pull, just like that. We'll do that to the other side. Grab it on the corner and we'll pull. There we go. There. Now I'll just move this as far forward as it can. That should be enough. Let me show you where the other bolts are. There should be one here. Now this one is broken and missing, but there is one right here. And then follow it down and around. Underneath this bracket, there's another one. Let's pop those out and get our lens out. All right, got those two. This one was broken, so it should just slide out. And then we'll get to our electrical connectors in the back. There we go. Okay, that's it. All right, everything's transferred over. Let's see how this looks. Oh, wow, isn't that nice? That looks really good. Let's tighten them up. Beautiful. Man, brand new lenses look so nice. Let's do the other side. Nice, let's transfer this stuff over. Here it is. Get all plugged in. Nice. Put our bumper back on. Can't wait to detail this thing. Clip back on. Put these back in. These don't have to be tight, just snug. Put in the 10mm on the side. Oh, what do you think? Makes a big difference, huh?